Hello? Can you hear me? Are you in there? Can you see me? I can see you. Welcome to another Make It Happen with Don video. I just wanted to get on first, before we start this video, because this is our day 3 in Las Vegas. If you're watching it on release day, it's Monday, and we are in Florida getting ready to set sail on our first ever cruise, Royal Caribbean, Allure of the Seas. We're heading to the Bahamas, and a perfect day of Coco Cay. 4-night cruise, first time for us, so we cannot wait to bring that footage to you. But before we do that, we still have one more 3 or 4 series of Vegas, because we did another impromptu Vegas trip in the middle of April. So we got this video, 3 more Vegas videos, and then hopefully we'll get to the cruise. Hats are for sale. So if you go to makeithappenwithdon.com, click on the shop button, check out the hats, get yourself a hat. They're beautiful, great quality hats, so I'd love to ship one out to you. I wanted to announce that we're going to be back in Vegas June 15th, and then we're also scheduled to be in Vegas on August 5th. So we have the cruise, Vegas in June, Vegas in August. So now we're going to get to this video, and it starts off with this crazy slot panda fella at the Venetian that I like to play, because every morning he gives me money to start the day. And this day is no exception. He gave me 3 bonuses in a row, and wait till you see the last bonus. Come on, guys. Let's make it happen. Guys, panda fella, first thing in the morning strikes again. Is he the creepiest dude ever? I don't know about you, but that's just the creepy. All right, here's the progressives. We got the random panda spin. Okay. This guy is going to give us one of those progressives. Here. So this guy gives you an extra spin. So instead of resetting at 3, we just reset at 4. We get another one of him and it'll reset at 5. This guy adds a row. She boosts prizes. She boosts all the prizes. He repeats all gold prizes. And then you get super. So I think you're all caught up. 10 cents a month. Alright, she's gonna get kisses and add money. He collects it. $32 right there. Come on. What we want is a man with a hat, so we can get more reels. Hat man, hat. Oh, I like that one. If we complete 8 more spins, we're gonna get to open that chest and win one of those, and the smallest one's 100. So we need a hat. Guy with a hat. Come on. He collects them every time. Come on, give me a guy with a hat. Okay. Alright, we're going to get that chest. I think we're guaranteed 100 there. Come on. There you go. Give me a man with a hat. If we get a hat, we're going to open this row. And these 2 hat guys are going to open the next 2. Hat. To the man with a hat. Alright, we're going to get a progressive. Are you ready for the chest? Here we go. Come on. Major. Major. Minor. $250. That's how I got that ham pay yesterday. Come on, guy with a hat. Alright. Look at this. Let's take 700, 800, I don't know how much it is. This guy is the best. Love this guy. All right, we're making it happen early. Kid you not, guys. 3 spins, 4 spins later. Alright. There we go. That guy had those packets in the row. Extra spin. Let's do this. Kisses. Hat fella. Come on. Give me some good. Give me anything. 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 Yeah. Super kisses. Give me a guy with a hat. Come on. Did I say good morning yet? My caramel salted caramel cold brew. Come on, give me something, anything. There's a hat for that one man. See, we got all these guys with special features waiting up there if we get there. We got more area to work with. Just need another hat. There it is. Look at him. Now we get 5 spins. I like that. Boom. Come on, Panda. Panda power. There he goes. Kisses on every spin. I think, maybe. Hat. Go with the head. Do it. 3 more. 2 more chances for amazingness. Last chance. Here it is. Come on. Oh. Alright, not bad. $126, and I'll take it. Alright, I slid over to one more. I was right there. I came over here and boom. Let's go. Cheers. Extra spin. And kisses. Here we go. I love that one. Hat. Come on. Thank you. Come on, we just need one more. Give me anything. One, yes. Alright, we're guaranteed to get that chest. At least $100. Come on, hat. Somebody with a hat. Anything. Alright, let's go. Everybody think major or grand? Major. Major. Hey, $100. I'll take that. We need anything. One, please. One. Oh. All right. 137. Beautiful. Make it happen. Hold on. Look at this. Come on. Sure. Okay, all right. Honey, what do you call me? Buffalo King. Panda King. Another hand pay. ring it. Oh, wait a minute. 2 more spins. Do it. Special. Oh. Oh, chicken. Yeah. Oh, special symbols. Noise, please.
Oh, Donnie.
No words. Can I get a pineapple mimosa?
Thank you.
Gotta have a mimosa when you get happy. Thank you, Riza. The best server in all of the Venetian. Thank you. Look at this, guys. Another hand pay right here at the Venetian. What do you think?
I think you're on fire. He's the luckiest man I've ever met.
Blessed.
Yeah, you are blessed.
Thank you.
1276.
All right, let's do this now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's 20, 40, 65, 75, and 1. Thank you. Okay.
All right, we had a good morning at Venetian.
Yes.
Winning some money on the slots.
Yes.
And now we're gonna head and get some food.
I'll run into people.
Got Tom and Linda ahead of us.
Yep. We're ready
And
for
pay shopping with Heather behind us. All her earring backs are intact.
Stop the madness.
We're on our way to Sushi Samba. Woo, we never ate there, so we're excited.
Yes.
We'll let you know how it goes.
Pack your bags, cause we're heading way out west to the city that never takes a rest. Dawn and Heather, we're gonna have a blast in the neon lights where the memories last. From the strip to downtown, we'll explore it all, sharing every moment, big and small. Vegas vlogs, watch us take on the town. With every video, the excitement's found. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather, living life without a care. We're chasing dreams, gonna hit that super grand. With every jackpot, making memories grand. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather, living life without a care.
It's me,
What?
Buffalo King.
The Buffalo King. Where's your crown?
Okay. This is my buddy Eddie. Eddie Mommy.
I could teach you how to do it.
I know how to do it.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
I got the top one. Got it. I don't know, the bean.
No idea what she said.
All right, she brought this. She said this is on the house because the Godfather comes here so much. What is it?
It's sashimi.
I think it's salmon.
You're gonna try it.
Salmon.
You're gonna try it. Gotta do it for the YouTubes.
I don't eat anything
Gotta
that
do it
swims
for the
upstream. They're confused.
You also got the ribeye with ahi panca, so it's got a little spice to it. In the middle of that is your Peruvian corn sauteed in butter, topped out with cilantro.
Thank you.
Can you grab me a fork by chance? Thank you. What did you just ask him
I
for?
asked for a fork, an American fork.
Security. All right. I hear they have a special bathroom. So my brother went in to see if anybody was in there. It's clear?
Clear.
I hope he's not tricking me. Whoa. What the heck? Everything's curved. I like it. Couple stripper poles. Alright guys, new Pinata game. We got a $2 bet going. I got the triple bonus. Let's see what happens. Oh. Alright, I need 3. Collects them all. Two more. There you go. One more. Alright, we open the next one. Now we need 12. Oh, we got the $25 mini. Come on. 1. Hey. Hit that button over there. There you go. There you go. All right, what do we need? 5 more? 7 more. 5 more. Blue. You're my boy, Blue. Okay. You're doing good, babe. Hey. All right, 2 more, 3 more. Hey. Yeah, that maybe gonna collect? No, the mini doesn't collect. Somebody call the authorities. All right, we got another one unlocked. We need 8 more to open the last one. Hey. Come on. 2 spins left. 1. Yes. Come on. Hey. Bye. Hey. Yeah. Hey. All right. We need 4 more, babe. You can do it. 3 more. Look how hard Heather's working. Hey! All right, 2 more. Go, go, get it, go, get it, go. Make it happen. Hey! 2 more spins. Come on. All right. Do it. Come on, do it. Oh, I feel we got it on this one. Hey! Woo! Another mini up there. Okay, now we need blue. Bing, 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 bam, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing, boom. Come on. How much we got up there? Did you add it up? Hey. Honey, do this one good. That's it. Oh. Watch this. Bing, bong, boom, boom, bing, bong, boom, boom, bing. That's $30 right there. Oh, it's in there. What do you get? We don't know what you get if you fill it, but I'd like to know. Hey. All right. Hey. All right. 4 more. Running out of spots. Get one. Get it. Oh. Hey. Hey. Four more spins. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Where's the hay?
Come on, hey. One. Last chance. Boom. Come on. And all right. This should be good. These are nickels. Oh, I like the colorful sparkles. Look at, they're like colorful fireflies.
It's like a bad dubstep song.
Look at that. 200.
Woo!
300. Hey, look at that chili peppers. Do the horsey thing. Honey, we did it. We're doing it. We're making it happen. Make it happen with Dawn. Dawn and Heather living out of care. $350. All right, guys. We're gonna play Start Club. Flight Club.
that means I didn't win? Oh. Oh my gosh, showdown. Huh?
You go dancing, you do the white man's overbite.
Hello.
Oh, what you told me.
That was so much fun. I really appreciated that, and I enjoyed it, and it was a blast. I really suck at darts.
Doesn't matter if you're good at darts, it's just fun.
It was fun.
The drinks are great. They got a lot of specialty cocktails.
I tried 3.
I'll put some in the videos if I already have them before this, and you'll see how much fun it was. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit.
Yep.
Change it up. Head over to Resorts World and spend the night over there.
Spend the night.
Well, the rest of the evening. We're having a good day on slots. We're winning money so far. So
Yes.
hope we continue.
That's the news, but don't go anywhere. Another dad joke is next.
All right, so yeah, that was a lot of fun. That's right.
Why are you limping?
Because I started on that new birth control pill.
What?
Yeah, it's for men, that pill, birth control. You put it in your shoe and it makes you limp.
That's not nice. Just kidding. We are getting ready. Donnie was laying in bed belly aching. Well, we gotta go. I want to get to Resorts World as quickly as possible. So I said, okay, and I started drying my hair and curling it and getting it all done. And then as I was getting close to the end, I was like, Donnie, why don't you get ready? We're gonna leave.
Belly aching.
Yeah. So he got up and got in the shower. I get all ready, and I'm sitting here waiting. And guess what? He wants to do a video now.
You weren't. Don't make me go get the red flag. You weren't sitting here waiting. You were over there getting stuff.
I was literally.
I'm not going to argue with you in front of the world.
Twiddling my thumbs. Sitting there, twiddling my thumbs.
Tell them what we're having for dinner.
We're gonna get something at the what is that thing called?
I don't know. I didn't know we made a decision.
Yeah, there's something at the food hall.
The food hall.
Yeah, we talked about getting something to eat there, and then we're gonna hang out at Resorts World for a while.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the food hall in Oats and we're gonna hang out at Resorts World. I think we're gonna go up to Alle on 66, the rooftop bar.
I'm very excited to try a cocktail there.
My brother is staying at the Crockford, and as it has it, he's got a room on the 66th floor. So he said, we'll just head down the hall. So that's what we wanted to tell you. We're ready to roll. I'm a little tired, but I'm gonna make it through, and we're gonna head over to Resorts World.
Okay, let's go. You were belly aching.
Oh, belly ache.
You belly aching.
Look at this.
Belly aching.
Look at the sphere. And as I pan, notice the beautiful mountains in the wind. All right, we'll see you over there. All right. We're gonna head over to the Crockford. Go up to Alle on 66th. Check it out. Say hello to Monkey.
Nice.
All right, Tom and Linda are staying at the Crockford in this nice suite. They got a small bathroom. Oh, I don't want to go in there yet. Look at this, guys. Beautiful living area. Nice TV, 2.5 men. Nice bar. I'm gonna slide in this door. Oh, I'm right into the walk-in closet.
Ooh, this is the smell of the building. Bless you.
Right
This
into
is the
the.
smell that when you walk in. This is the smell. Yeah.
Oh, they have a shower even.
Smell it. And you're gonna go, oh my goodness.
Listen, I don't think you guys should be allowed to stay here if you're not gonna take a soak. 2 vanities, a literal walk-in closet. Look at a dental kit, a shave kit.
I love the smell. Oh, it smells so good.
All right, let me get this one. A manicure kit.
Nice.
Look at how nice Tom's nails are from staying here. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, nail clippers, tweezers. Holy moly! Got any lights in here?
Oh, I like that shower a lot.
Beds.
Very nice.
A chaise lounge. Another big TV. And an amazing view from the 66th floor. Look at this. It's kind of high up here, though. What's the strat? Very nice, the Crockford. Very nice.
This would be a fantastic.
Alle on 66. Very swanky. Okay. Gonna go outside here. Oh, this really is outside. Whoa, now that is the view. Let me get over here. This. Right there's the view. The Fontainebleau. Oh, looks nice. Okay guys, in my opinion, Alle on 66 is a must check out spot. It is elegant and it is beautiful. Now, we did go to the famous food hall and ate at Curacurapa. We got the Snake River Farms Wagyu Bowl. It is delicious. And at Micho's Tacos, we like their street corn. So go over to Resorts World, check out the famous food street eats. You won't be disappointed. Boy, that Snake River Farms Wagyu teriyaki bowl, 10 out of 10.
All right, that's going to conclude another Las Vegas video vlog series. We had such a great time. Alle on 66 was awesome there at the end. I mean, the views are great, the drinks are great, the place is elegant, it's very classy, upscale, it's nice, relaxing, sit down, have a cocktail, enjoy the views and company. And I just want to tell you, if you enjoy these videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe. I know subscribe's a little weird word because we think of subscribing to something, it's a subscription and it costs money, but there's no charge. Subscribing is free. All it does is give you access to our videos a little bit easier. You can go to what you're subscribed to and find us. It's kind of like a friend request or something on Facebook. And if you want to be notified when we post new videos, go ahead and click on that notification bell. This is where I say live your blessed life because you are blessed. We love you all. This is my favorite part of the videos, the subscriber section slideshow at the end. Enjoy this. Thanks for watching. We'll be on a cruise and we'll see you when we get back. Make it happen.
It's a brand new day. Let's make some magic. Come with me. We're on a journey. We're on a ride. Together we'll conquer and reach new heights. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam.